This strategy has helped me earn thousands of dollars in a short period of time. It's really simple, but few people know and utilize it. And today, I want to share with you how this strategy works so that you can achieve similar profits like me. Before we begin, take a moment to like and subscribe to support me and contribute to creating more valuable videos. I'm building a trading community to grow together. If you're interested in working with me and my team, please visit the link in the description to register an account and receive a 50% bonus on every deposit. More importantly, I commit to providing full support for any questions, sharing the best strategies, and helping you understand how I conduct trades. Contact me through Telegram to join my team, and I'll provide all the information you need. Whether you start with $5, $10, or even $100, it doesn't matter. Let's build a strong community and go far on this journey together. In this part of the strategy, I've activated two indicators, parabolic SAR and MACD. I've only bolded the indicator lines, while the parameters remain entirely suitable for the current market conditions. I'm looking for suitable scenarios for this currency pair strategy. And here it is. I believe the price will decrease and I decide to allocate all my capital to this trade. Look, the previous parabolic SAR points appeared below the chart, but now they've formed above. This predicts a downward trend. I've also added the MACD indicator for more accurate signals. The two MACD lines have crossed and moved downward, and the chart has formed below the zero level. Both indicators have given me confidence in my prediction. It's great. A good start indeed. This time, the parabolic point appears below the chart and simultaneously, the MACD indicator lines cross each other and move upwards, with the chart forming above the zero level. Hence, I predict the price will increase. Do you notice how simple and understandable the strategy I'm applying is? If you do, please comment below to let me know. Wow! Once again, this strategy brings profit to me. Based on the analysis of the two previous situations, I believe you can predict the market trend for this currency pair. I always emphasize this, especially for newcomers with limited experience. In trading, discipline is crucial. Selecting appropriate situations to increase the probability of winning is essential, rather than trading recklessly. I'm thrilled that my current capital is $690. And I believe it will continue to grow significantly in the upcoming trades. I believe the price will decrease in this scenario. When implementing this strategy, I always adhere to both key factors, the MACD and parabolic SAR indicators. If either of these factors is missing, the probability of winning will significantly decrease. Let's wait and see if my prediction is correct. Fantastic. $1,325. I found a potential setup in this new currency pair. However, I need to wait a bit longer for a precise signal. I anticipate a decrease in price. If there's any part of my trading or analysis that you don't understand, feel free to leave a comment below so I can explain it to you. Wow, fantastic! Just as I predicted. And I'll continue to participate in trading. I find this strategy quite simple even for beginners who may not have much knowledge about the market. Just follow the two indicators set up above, and I'm sure you'll profit. Amazing! $4,358, such a fantastic number. Based on my experience, in the current situation, I predict that prices will increase. For beginners, when implementing this strategy, I advise practicing on a demo account first to gain a clearer understanding of the market and to avoid rushing. Discipline is a crucial factor for success in this trading profession. Wow! It's fantastic that the capital is increasing to $8,013. And I believe this number will continue to rise. I intend to close this trading session with this currency pair. I always share simple, understandable strategies that even beginners can apply. If you haven't seen them yet, please visit my channel for more detailed information. Wow, this is truly a proud result, with a total of $13,593 earned in less than an hour. Knowledge and experience I've gained are because I consider trading a serious profession that I invest in. That's why I always aspire to build a larger supportive community to help others in their trading journey. I've set up a free Telegram group where I share my experiences and assist those who are just starting or lack experience. You can copy my trades manually or automatically by connecting to my account, and it's free for everyone. To work with me and my team and get answers to all your questions, write to me on Telegram. If you want to join my team, I'll provide you with all the information immediately, and the link is in the video description. I only engage in positive trades, so the initial capital is not important. You can start with $5, $10, or $100, it doesn't matter. The important thing is that I don't sell anything, and I don't take money from subscribers. It's all about genuine help. I'm waiting for your messages, but act fast because space is limited. Thank you, and everyone who has been following.